It's very good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Hope you are fit and fine though. Today we shall begin lesson 1 from term 3. So, be ready with your English textbook term 3. Ready? Children, which is your favorite fruit? Can you name 5 fruits? I know it's very easy to. Oh yes, mango, orange, grape, strawberry, pineapple, plum, mangosteen, dragon fruit. Aha! I told you to find out only 5. I thought many, didn't I? I know kids. You kids also know the names of fruits more than 5. Then take a pencil and write the names of fruits in your English notebook. You finish. Very good. Then let's come to our topic. Don't you categorize each fruits according to their taste? Some are sweet, some taste sweet and so, don't they? Here are some fruits. Kids, are there any fruit that you haven't tasted yet? Any? If you're getting a chance to taste it, what will you do then? Will you reject it or will you be very curious to taste it? Have you eaten a plum before? Do you like it? Okay, then kids, please meet your new friend Vanya. He's at home now. Let's see what's going on though. Please come. The Plum Stone Story, written by Leo Tolstoy. One day, Vanya's mother bought some plums from the market. She washed them and left them on a big plate in the center of the dining table. Mother wanted to give the plums to the children after the dinner. It was not every day that plums were brought. Vanya had not tasted plums all his life and was very curious about it. First, he sniffed the fruit, wrinkled his nose at the pleasing smell, and decided that he liked the fruit. Dinner time was still a long way off, and he could not wait. No one will notice if I take one, he said to himself. As soon as he was alone in the room, he took a big plum and ate it quickly. Vanya said to himself, plums are very delicious indeed. When it was time for dinner, his mother counted the plums and found that one was missing. She told her husband about it. When the whole family sat around the table to eat, the father asked, "Well, children, have any of you eaten a plum without your mother's knowledge?" Each child answered in turn, "No, no, no." Vanya's heart began to beat very fast as he was scared. He lied that he did not eat the plum. Then father said, "It is wrong to steal a plum, but that's not all. You see, plums have small stones, and if you swallow a stone, you will grow horns. That's what really bothers me." Vanya became very upset and said loudly, I did not eat the stone. I threw it out of the window." The entire family burst into peals of laughter. Vanya felt guilty and ashamed. He wept bitterly. His mother hugged him and said, "Your father said all this so that you would come up with the truth," she added. Everyone loves children who are honest. Vanya said story to the whole family and promised that he would speak only the truth. After all, honesty is the best policy. Children, did you enjoy the story? Isn't it a good, interesting story, no? Okay. Actually, the thing that Vanya did, that was not a good thing. Without knowing the others, taking the things and eating, that's not good. And not only that, he told a lie. That's a very bad habit telling lies. Understood? Then what did you learn from it? We must always speak the truth. Honesty is the best policy, kids. Honest people live a happy and peaceful life. It is because they don't have to live with guilt and lie to others for saying the truth. Telling truth is a very good habit. If you always speak the truth, you can save yourself from lots of trouble. So kids, make a promise. I shall always speak the truth. Okay, very good children. Then kids, please read the story. How many times? Yes, 3 times. Very good. Then please note down the difficult words and write and study those words 5 times. Okay? Thank you children.